Hi, good afternoon. My name is Joseph Magsino, 23 years old from the city of Binian, Laguna, and currently reigning Mr. Binian 2025 and aspirant of Mr. Filipinos Worldwide.
All right. Now, how are you feeling right now?
Right now, I'm feeling excited because I met a lot of people and to promote diversity and inclusivity. So definitely, so medyo familiar naman sa akin yung iba dito and it's gonna be something exciting again because I express my capabilities to other people and showcase my um, my abilities to others so they can be inspired in myself.
All right. Is this your first time joining a national pageant? All right.
Joining, yes, yes.
So, what is your reason for joining Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide?
Okay. Joining in Mr. Filipinos Worldwide, one of my main reason is to inspire people in a bigger aspect, um, in a bigger, in a bigger platform. So I think it's such a powerful platform where I encourage my fellow Filipino people and to encourage them to be a leader as well. Because right now I am a SK counselor in our city, so I am not reaching our barangay, I am not reaching our city, so definitely I'm reaching the whole Philippines or the entire Philippines to to do good as well.
So, how did you prepare for today's final casting?
Ah, ah. Okay, in today's final casting, you know what, joining in a pageantry, you must be physically and mentally fit. So, I know that na sasali ako sa competition na ito. So, I work out para maging physically fit and para maging mentally fit. Then, to expand my knowledge, I always look for the different platforms. Then, now, I think I am ready and I am prepared.
What do you think is your edge among your other?
You know what? I think my height is in the minimum among all the candidates. But hindi siya weakness for me. It's gonna be my strength para maging unique. So, my uniqueness, it allows me to stand tall and to be standing out among all the candidates.
Okay. Three. Tell us three interesting facts about you.
Okay. Three interesting facts about me is I am a criminology student. I rather graduated Bachelor of Science in Criminology and public official. And lastly, I am soon to be Mr. Filipinas Worldwide.
Alright. Ano ang comfort food mo at bakit?
You know what? I am the person na hindi ganun kumakain ng gulay. Pero one of my comfort food is chicken for the protein and sinigang na hipon. Favorite ko yan because of my mom na nag-pass away. So, ayun. Sobrang sarap ng sinigang, lalo pag maasim.
Last question. Saan ka namin makikita on your spare time?
Okay. On my spare time, makikita nyo ako probably nasa field ng Tri-Bureau. It's either in the PNP, it's either in the BFP, it's either in the BJMP. So in the field ng ganong bagay para ayun, makapag-inspire ng marami tao at maprotektahan yung lives ng bawat isa. Yan. And to give justice to everybody.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye.